Fainting or syncope can be alarming and usually occurs due to poor circulation to the brain, leading to a loss of consciousness. To ensure safety, if you feel faint, watch for warning signs like dizziness, changes in vision or hearing, and other symptoms like a clammy face or nausea. If you notice these signs, sit or lie down immediately to avoid injury from falling. Lying down helps restore blood flow to the brain. If you're in a crowded space, lean against a wall or slide down to avoid being trampled. Request assistance from those nearby, and if you do faint, your helper should keep your airway clear, check your breathing, and provide support until help arrives. After fainting, remain on the ground for 10 to 15 minutes to recover. Elevate your legs if possible, breathe deeply, and hydrate, as dehydration may contribute to fainting episodes.